let's set a goal. Kasi originally, when we start the summer program, before the summer ends, we take our promotion. So because we started parang just this July. So hindi na po tayo, we didn't reach the goal for the summer program until July 3rd promotion. So let's try to pagkain na August 30, let's try to take the promotion. We have to study, actually it's for release natin. Dahil medyo, because there's only 3 of us here, we can focus on doing everything fast, like the blocks, the kicks, and then the next one is the stances, and then foundation form. So if we can finish that, sabihin natin next, in 2 waves, meaning yung 6 sessions, tapos we can reach the end of August for the promotion. Let's take the promotion test. Yun po yung pinaka-biggest achievement natin na makukuha so far, from being a white belt, going to yellow. Okay? So let's try that. Bilis naman. Sa nakafocus to, okay to. May mga kasama naman siya. Di ba? Okay. Good. Dad. Sit down here. Sit down here. Here. Stay here. Here. Come on. Start. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Okay, go. Move forward, please. Please here. Okay. Move back a little bit. 3 steps back and forward. 2, and 2. Okay, done. So remember commands? That's right? Okay, so good. Kyogre. Okay, good morning guys. Kneel down, meditation. Close your eyes, kneel down. Empty your mind, concentrate. See, jump. Moving up. Let's start our warm-up from this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arm twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change other hand. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbows up. Press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Neck rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knee bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, and 1. Knee rotation. Then reverse. And standing up head. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach forward. Then come same side. Reach forward. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change down. Lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change other side. Other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And reach forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squat. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and twist. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. And I'll stay. Stretch properly. Go. On the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And open legs. Open. Stay inside. Ready? Open legs. Open legs. Okay, don't touch it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward back bend. Go. 1, 2, 3. And push your back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Center down. Don't bend your knees. Open your legs. Some more. Wider. Okay, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then push your back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feet together. And stretch out. Pose. Stretch out. 1, 2, 3. Straight knees. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And push your back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hip rotation. Stay inside. Hip rotation. And reverse. One leg up. Balance. From your toes down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In front and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change foot. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backwards. Balance. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then front and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Go down. Go. Sit down. Open your legs. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Face it. Face it. You have to face me. Turn around. No. Face it. Turn around. Yes. Okay, release. Move your hips side to side. Move hips. Front and back. Hip rotation. And reverse. Then massage. Open up some more. Wider. As far as you can. Massage. And twist it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't touch it. Go. Stay inside. 2, 3. Stay inside. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And center down. And now stay. Center down. Follow. You want to do push-ups? Go. Stay there. Open your legs. Open and center. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sideways. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Open your legs. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Open such again. Not focusing. Focus. Massage. Massage. Wider. Wider your legs. Open up some more. Okay. Very good. One more time. Hands at your head. Elbows down. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And overhead sideways. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and okay. Slowly. Feet together. And shake. Shake. One your toes down. 5, 6, and now sleep. Hello. Over. Press out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Center. Reach forward. 1, 2, straight knees. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hands in your head. Twisting. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. After rotation. And reverse. Up it. And asleep. And push your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And twist. See? Twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And center down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hug your leg. Hug your leg. Pass it. Other foot. Other foot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hug your knee. Pass it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And front leg up. 1, 2. And pass it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And sideways. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Upward. Then backwards. And stretch forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly lie down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, good. Change foot. Other side. Other foot. And reverse. Push your knee down. Straight leg. One leg straight. Right leg straight. 6, 7, 8. And twist. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight forward. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hug your leg. Left foot. Left foot. Change foot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hug your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And front leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And backwards. And reach forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slowly lie down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, butterfly. Butterfly. Press your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And head up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and okay. Lie down. Let's do some sit-ups. Sit-ups. Go. Lie down. Ready? Hands on your chest. 10 sit-ups and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and down. Okay, good. Make it safe. Next one. Cross leg. Cross leg. Cross leg. And hands on your head. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Push-ups. Ready? Let's do some 5 push-ups. Not yet. And we go. Ready? Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And good. Lucky. Good. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, good job. Okay. Stand up. Turn around. Fix your uniform. Fix yourself. Face it. Okay, face here. Jump here. No way. First water break. Go. Water break. Go.
Wow.
Austin.
Water break.
Okay. Water break. Wait. Wow.
You good?
Oh.
Drink some water.
That is brilliant.
You did drink one?
I'll bring some next time.
I think you have.
Oh, right there?
Spencer, yeah. The glass is...
Oh, yeah, the glasses. And my definition.
Make sure the glasses are...
No, next time I'll bring the water. And next time I'll bring it. Yeah, next time I'll bring water. We
You
forgot.
okay?
Yeah, we forgot this. Very good.
Let's go. Focus. Something in your bed. I'll stay there. Move. Go. Okay. Face here. Some more. Move back some more. Move back some more. Okay. Go. So good. Young way. Okay. Stop moving. Stop moving. Go there. Stop moving. Stop walking. So here. No moving anymore. Stay there. Again. One more time. From the top. So here. Young way. Okay. Ready? 2B. Left foot moving to this left side. Okay? Ready? 2B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, one more time. Focus. Or else we do push up. You want to do push up? Okay, again, from the top. So here. Kyore. Very good. Show me. 2B. One more time. Go back to it. You have to open your leg. Left leg. Ready? Go back again. Chariot. Not yet. Chariot. Chariot. Feet together. Okay. Jumbi. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Hey. Stop playing. Stop playing. Again. Yoli. Chariot. Not yet. Wait for the command. Kyore. Very good. Show me Jubi. How do you do Jubi? Jubi. Okay, very good. Stay here. Open your legs. Open. Jubi. Okay, good job. Ready. Let's try low block. Ready? With your left hand first. Ready. No, stay. Okay, ready? 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, and block. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, and block. Very good. What do you call this block? Okay, properly. Stay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. and 4. Very good. 1, 2, not yet. 3, number 3, and 4. Very good. Let's try 2 counts. Low block. Ready? 1, 2. Very good. 1. Concentrate. 2. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. Let's try 1 count only. From here, 1. Properly. Don't play. Again, block. Do your block properly. 1, 2, 3. Stay here after you block. Stay here after you block. Stay like this. Okay. 4. Very good. Last one. 5. Okay, good. Change hand. This time your right hand. Ready. 1, 2. Not yet. 3. Follow the numbers. 3, 4. Okay. This one. Okay, good. 1. Then I'll stay. Other hand. 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1, 2. Not yet. 4 counts. 3, 3, 4. Very good. 1. Follow. 2, 3, 4. Oh, very good. Let's try 2 counts. Ready? From here. Stay. Follow. 2 counts. 1, 2. Very good. Change hand. Change hand. You're on the right hand now. Okay, block. Other hand. Block with your other hand. Okay, stay. Stay. Wait for the count. Ready. 2 counts again. Ready. Ready. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Block. 1. Not yet. Wait for the count. 2. 1. Not yet. 2. One more time. 1. Not yet. Wait for the count. 2. Okay, this time 1 count only. Ready? 1 count. Wait. Stay here. Go back here. Block first. Block first. Other hand. Other hand. Other hand. Okay, ready. 1. Very good. Wait for the count. 2. Stay here. Stay. Stay. 3. Very good. 4. 5. Oh my good job. Shake your arms. Again, exhale. This is low block. Okay? Low block. When you do low block, blocking hand is always on the top. Okay? So kapag ang right hand mo may nasa taas, siya rin ang mag-block. Okay? So blocking hand is always on top. That's low block. Sige, madam. Try it. Okay. Right hand low block. Tama? Left hand. Try left hand. Other hand. Change hand. Yeah. Tama yun. Tama po yun. This time, other hand. Left hand. So, left hand na nasa taas naman. Change hand. Yan. Okay, go. Yan. Go. Yan. Very good. Good. Change again. Other hand. Yan. One more time. Good. Last one. Other hand. Very good. One more. Okay. Good job. Shake hands. Move back. Move back. Stop playing. You have to follow. You have to follow. You have to follow. Okay. One more time. Ready. Check it. Clear. Kill me. Ready. Jumbi. Jumbi. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ready? Let's try high block. Using your left hand this time. This time, high block. Blocking hand is always at the bottom. Okay? So let's try with your left hand. 1. Follow. 2, 3, and 4. So this is high block. Okay? Ready? 1. The last thing. Follow. 2, 3, 4. Very good. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Not yet. Number 3. This is number 3. This one. Okay. And 4. Very good. 1, 2, 2, 3. Not yet. This is number 3. Look at my hand. Other hand. And 4. Very good. 1. 1. Follow. Follow. 2. 3. And 4. One more time. 1. Not yet. 2. 3. And 4. Let's try 2 counts. Ready? From here. 1. Change hand. 2. Good. 1. 2. Very good. You have to wait for the count. Stay here. 1. 2. Good. Not yet. Go back. 1. 2. 1. Not yet. Wait for the count. I told you to wait for the count. Go back here. This is 1. This is 1. 2. Okay, let's try 1 count. From here. Go to the block. From here. Stay here. Ready. 1. Very good. Get out in front. Yeah. 2. Good. 3. Very good. 4. 5. A little higher po. Yeah, don't cover your eyes. Huh? Up. Higher. Okay, good. And then closer na konti. 1 fist away from your forehead. Okay, you need it. Yeah, okay. Ready. Last 5. The last thing. Ready. 1 count. 1. 2. 3. 4. Oh, that's shortcut. 4. No. Change hand. Last one. 5. Okay, good. Shake your arms. Now let's try with your right hand. Ready? Right hand this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Follow. And 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Not yet. 4. Wait for the count. 1. 4 counts. 2, 3. Not yet. 3. Not yet. 3. Oh, here. This one. Stay here. And 4. Okay, very good. Follow 4 counts. Now stay. 4 counts. 1, 2. Not yet. 2. 3. No, don't block yet. That's number 4. 4. Very good. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Much better. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Let's try 2 counts. Ready? 2 counts. 1, 2. Very good. 1. Not yet. Go up. 2. Very good. Ready? 1, 2. 2. Okay, good. 1, 2. Let's try 1 count. Ready? 1 count with block. Ready? 1. Very good. 2. Good. 3. 4. 5. Okay, last 5. Ready? Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, shake up. Just remember, high block. The blocking hand is always at the bottom. Yung blocking hand, nasa baba po, pag high block. Yan. Pag low block, yung blocking hand ay nasa taas naman. Sige po, sample mo ulit. High block, good. Other hand. Other hand, here. Yan, yung block. This one po. Other hand. Kung ano yung nasa baba, siya yung mag-block. Yan. One more. Good. Isa pa. Good. Now, change hand. Try the other hand. So, yung blocking hand naman na nasa baba. Change hand. Balik po. Oh, tama po yan. Tama po yun. Pero, yan. Tama. Change hand po. Ngayon. This time, yung right hand ang ipo-block mo. Yan. Very good. Oh, bumalik. Isa pa. One more. Change hand. Oh, tama yun. But other hand. Change. Change mo na. Change mo na. Yan. And then, block. No? Yung nasa baba ko ang block. Yan. One more. Change. Change muna, ito muna, and then block. Yan, one more. Good. So back. Good. Okay. Yan, good. Basta remember ko, sa low block, itong nasa taas ang mag-block. Okay? Yan. Kapag high block, yung nasa ilalim na ang mag-block. Okay? Okay. Nail say first. Okay. Good test.
That's right.
Okay. This time medyo, we're going to add steps. Then also, we're going to add steps. Okay? Move up. Go upward. Stay here. Oh, follow me. Ready. Face the mirror. Salute. Keep together. Okay. Wow. Okay, good. Okay. 2B. Okay, minutes. Ready. Hands at the waist. This is your forward stance. Stop. Stop. Focus. Okay. Ready. Forward stance. Where's your left foot? Show me your left foot. Okay, good. Now step your left foot forward. And then bend your knee. Very good. This is forward stance. Okay? Now Austin, focus. Eyes front. Ready. Now step forward. Step your right foot forward. Do the same. Very good. Bend your knee. Ready. 2. Right foot forward. Very good. Stay. Don't move. Don't move. Bend your knee. Bend. Bend. Okay. Hands on your waist. Ready. Step forward. 3. Good job. One more time. 4. Okay, very good. Stop. Don't move. Watch coach first, huh? Left foot. On the count. Step into the side. Follow. This one. This one. Left foot first. On the count. You step here. Step here. After that. There. And then turn at the back, make left foot forward stance. Very good. Bend your knee. Okay, ready. Bend your knee. Uji. Okay, ready. On my count, step forward. 1. Right foot, step forward. Okay, 2. Very good. 3. And 4. Step forward. Okay, very good. When you hear the word baro, bring your left foot, go back, face the other side, go back to do. Ready? Go back first, go back first, go back first. Ready? Alam nyo rin, face the other side. Hey! Stay here, we're not yet done. Stay here, follow me, follow. Left foot forward stance, left foot forward stance, left foot. Then waist. Okay, when you hear the word baro, move your left foot, going back to Judy. Turn to this side, okay? Ready? Baro. Very good. Good job, guys. Turn here, and then go back to Judy. Okay. So, Jayir. Jayir. Yeah, okay. Oh, you need to say first. Ready? Ready? Good. Ate, may glass kayo. May glass kayo dito. Para sa wala. Nakalimutan na rin ng motor. Okay, ready? Lagasin! Let's go! Stay here. Here. Backwards. Okay. One more time. Ready? Sabi yan. Yung way. Jumi. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, again. Ay, kasi not focusing. You push ups muna. Give me 5 push-ups. Go. Not focusing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way up. Focus. Okay, sabi yan. Yung way. Very good. Jumi. Very good. Now let's do forward stance. Austin, forward stance. stance, left foot first, and then add low block, left hand. Okay? Watch me first. Ay, go back to Juby. No, stick. Go back to Juby. Ready? I will do it first. Watch me. Left foot forward stance, and then left low block. That's one. Step forward. Number two, right, low block. Okay? Ready? Let's start. Very good. Ready? Go back to Juby. Now, before we step forward, prepare left hand low block. Okay. Now, step forward, left foot, one. Very good, and then block. Very good. Okay, now prepare right hand low block. Right hand, change hand. Very good. Now, step forward, and then block. No, right hand. Block with your right hand. Very good. Right hand. Where's your right? Okay, good. Stop, stop. Just block. Stay. Okay. Now prepare left hand low block. Change hand. Very good. Step forward. And then block. Okay, stay. Now prepare right hand low block. Very good. Now step forward. Step forward. Right foot. And then block. Right hand. Very good. Oh, stay here. Okay, when you hear the word barok, other hand, yan na lang. Sige, right hand, and then block. Very good. Okay, when you hear the word barok, move your right foot, going back to Juby. Okay, one more time, from here. Go, block. Okay, good. Now, when you hear the word barok, go back to Juby. Move your right foot back. Ready? Barok. Very good. Okay, good job. Juby. No way. Okay, good job. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Rest for a while. Okay, good. Go, take water. Madam, okay pa? Nasusundan? Saan ka na naguguluhan? Sige. Yan. Yan. Very good. Anong tawag sa block na yan? Low block. Ang low block, tandaan ko lang, ang blocking hand lagi nasa taas. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-block ito ng gano'n. Okay? So, laging nasa taas ang nag-block. Yan. Okay? Sige, ikaw lang. Good. O, try mo sa other hand. Very good. Sige. One more. Okay, now switch ka naman sa high block. High block, yung nasa baba naman ang mag-block sa taas. Okay? Sige. Same position. Sige. Ganun ulit. Ganun ulit. Yan. O, ikaw ang nasa. Yun. Very good. One more. Oh! Wala mo na. Kabila mo na. Other hand mo na. Dito mo na ulit. Here mo na ulit. Okay. Blocking hand mo. Dito. Yan. Huwag mo siya dito taas. Here lang. Here lang. Yan. Okay. Sige. Block. Very good. O, yun ang ibublock mo sa taas. Sige, balik mo na. Left hand mo na lang. Smile. Pag nag-block ka, dapat ka lang sa taas. Okay? Yan. Sige. Ready? Go. Yan. So, right now you're doing left hand high block. Sige. One more. Left hand again. Ready? Paano ulit? Left hand. Here mo na. Ganito lagi. Yan. Yan. The other hand. Your blocking hand. Yan. Ready? Block. Very good. One more. Oh. Change. Block. Very good. One more. Good. Now, change hand. Right hand. Yung right hand mo naman na nasa baba. Baba mo na. Right hand. Change hand. Oh, yan. Ito naman left hand mo. Dito sa chest. Yan. And block. Oh, right hand. Yan. Okay, right hand again. Oh, baba. Come here. Yan. Dito. Yan. Okay. Block. Yun. Oh, resting hand. Ano na naman? Bumala ko bula. Ito ang nasa baba. Ito ang mag-block sa taas. Ito, resting hand. Yan. Very good. Oh, masyadong mataas yung resting hand ko. No. What I mean ng resting hand is this one. Hindi dito. Dito lang. Yan. Okay. Go. Yes. Tapos yun, ito na sa side. Good. You only, they will watch you. Chariot? Hyungre. Very good. Junbi. Okay, very good. Now, show me left low block. One count only. Where's your left hand? Stop moving. No, left hand. So, this one. Okay, ready? On my count. One. No, low block. How do you do low block? Very good. But left hand. I want to see the left hand first. Left hand. Very good. One. One. Very good. Two. Good job. Wait for the count. Three. Good. Four. Last one, big shot. Five. Very good. Change hand. This time, right hand. Show me. Very good. Wait for the count. Wait. One. Two. Three. Four. And five. Good job. Shake hands. Good job. And five. Very good. Okay. If you focus talaga, very good yan eh. But when you're playing, kaya na. Oh. If you play, you will do push-ups. Yes, coach? Yes, coach or no, coach? Answer. Yes? Okay. You said that. Yes, ha? Okay. Let's try high block again. Ready? High block. Okay. Everybody, cheer. Hyungre. I will not show it to you anymore. Junbi. Very good. Okay. Remember, when you do high block, blocking hand is always at the bottom. Okay? Blocking hand is always at the bottom. Ready? Left hand first from Junbi. Left hand. Ready? Two counts. One. Two. Very good. Oh, left hand. Left hand. Change hand. Very good. Ready? One. Two. Very good. Three. Four. Ready? Five. Six. Change hand. Right hand. Ready? One. Two. Very good. Three. Change hand. Change hand. Oh. Four. Very good. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Oh, shake your arms. Good. Okay, change mo other hand. Sige, slowly. Sige, figure out mo muna. Yan, and then, very good. Oh, yung resting hand. Yan, good job. One more. Change hand. Dapat nasa ilalim na siya. Yan, much better. Yun. One more. Oh, bumalik. Sige. One more time. No? Nasa baba yung kanan mo. So dapat kanan yung mag-block sa taas. Yan. Good. Eh, left hand naman. How about your left hand? So switch. Left hand should be at the bottom. Yan! Yun! Good! Nice one! Good! Very good. Okay, good. Good? Yan say. Okay, let's add one more block. Okay? Ready? This is a different block na ha. It's called double arm middle block. Ready? Everybody, chariot. Hyungre. Junbi. Double arm middle block. The last thing follow. Junbi. Okay, follow. For 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Very good. This one is supported there. Okay, this is the blocking hand. Ready? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. The ideal level is with your shoulder. Level with your shoulder. Okay? Not too close with your body, not too far. Just enough. Okay? Ready? One more time. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2. Not yet. This is 2. Extend your other arm. This is 2. 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very fast, huh? Ready? 1, 2. Not yet. 3. Okay, let's try 2 counts this time. Ready? 2 counts. Can you do 2 counts? Okay, follow. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. Good job. Ready? 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. Very good. Okay, let's try 1 count. How about 1 count? Can you do 1 count? Yes, coach? Coach? Yes, coach? Coach? Yes, coach? Ready? 1 count. 1, 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5. Last 5 with shot. Now stay ready. 6,
Yeah.
7,
Yeah.
8,
Yeah.
9,
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
Oh my good job. Shake your hands. But you're very fast. You have to follow the counting. What do you want this block? Let us see. Very good. Double arm, middle block. What do you want this again? Very good. Add arm. Double arm, middle block. Very good. High five. Good job. Okay, let's go. Right hand behind. Again, from the top. Salute. Yung leg. Jubi. Ready? 3 counts again. 1, 2. Other hand. No, other hand na. Other hand. Right hand in front. Yeah, let me see. Close your face. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay, ready again. Ready? 1. Okay. 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. 2 counts. Let's try. 1. Here. 2. 1, 2. You have to stay. Wait for the count. Stay here. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's try 1 count. Ready? Stay here from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5 with shout. Ready? 1,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
3,
Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Salute. Yung leg. Okay, good job. Rest first. Go. On the break. Thank you, coach.
Wow. Ooh, doggy. Look, he got it in you all day. Wow.
Buti masyado niya yung tao na.
So now we got the uniform.
confusing. Okay, let's practice our kicks. Ready, everybody, 2. Ready, fight this time. See, jump, up. Okay, ready. Moving, no moving forward. Stretch kick. On your place now. Stretch kick, stretch kick. Don't bend your knees. Ready, 1. Right foot. Right foot first, right foot. Keep your hands up. Right foot, where's your right foot? Where's your right? Okay, ready, 1, 2. Right foot only. 3, 4, 5. Okay, change foot, other side. Ready? Left leg and 1. Kick. Stretch kick. 2. Left leg. No, left leg this time. Left leg. 3. Higher. Stretch. 4. 5. Change foot. Ready. Right first. Change foot. Right foot at the back. Change. Okay. Ready. Ready this time. Front kick. Knee up and then snap. Down. Ready. Right leg. Ready. 1. Go. Okay. 2. 3. Keep properly. Okay. 4. 5. Very good. Change foot other side. Left leg. Cannot stay. Left leg. Change foot. Ready. 1. 2. Left leg only. Left leg. 3. Left. Very good. Ready. 4. 5. Very good. Change foot. This time in out kick. Change foot. Right foot at the back. Right inside. Okay. Ready. In out kick. Circle. Ready. 1. Very good. No. Right foot. Right foot. Circle. Circle. Inside. Going outside. Very good. 2. Good. Very good. 3. Kick higher. Cannot stay. 4. Very good. 5. Stop moving. Stay here. Stay here. Go back. Ready. 6. Very good. 7. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. 8. 9. Last one. We shout 10. Very good. Change foot. Left leg. Left leg. Change foot. Ready. 1. In out. In out. 2. Circle. Very good. 3. Very good. 4. Nice one. 5. Very good. 6. 7. Very good. Very high. 8. Nice one. 9. Last one. Shout 10. Okay, good job. Inhale and stay. Shake your arms. Shake your legs. Good. Good. Ito marami pang energy. Nalugi sila.
I wish I had this.
Yeah. Bro, you come in class, but you're still full of energy.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? One more time. Everybody, by this time. Okay, this time out in kick. Out in, going inside. Okay? Circle, inside. Ready? No, inside. Circle, inside. Very good. Ready? 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Good. 6. Good. 7. Good. 8. Nice. 9. Last one shot. 10. Very good. Change for the other side. Ready. Ready. Left leg. This time. Oi. Okay, like this time. Left leg this time. Out in. 1. 2. No. Outside. Going inside. There you go. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Good. Circle. Circle. 6. Nice one. 7. Good. 8. Very good. 9. Last one, tension. Okay, good job. Exhale. Wow. Ayun ha. Ayun ka na lang. Ayun ha. Okay. Okay, go. Last kick. Remember 45 kick? The one we did with the bar, but this
Yes,
time
coach.
without bar.
Oh.
Ready? And now say, follow coach. Ready? Find the stance. Let's do it in 3 steps. Ready? Left leg forward, right? The back leg will kick. 45 kick. 1. No, not yet. Follow. Look at my foot. Left leg twist. Okay. Right leg. Knee up. Then point your toes and then kick. That's number 2. Ready? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Good. Ready? One more time. And now say properly. Oh, balance. Find your stance. Find your stance first. Put your foot down. 1. No, twist. This will kick. 2, 3. Good. Right leg. We're using the right leg. Okay. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Ready? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Good. One more time. Right? Why is that so nice? 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Gusto 1 count na lang. Later, 1 count. Let's do it. 3 counts again. 1, 2, 3. Good. Ready? Are you ready with 1 count? Ready, guys? Okay, let's try 1 count. Ready? 1 count, all together. 1, 2, and kick. Ready? 1. Very good. Next one, guys. Right leg is kicking. Right leg only. Ready? 2. Right leg. Move right leg. Okay, good. Ready? 3. Very good. Always remember to point your toes. 4. Very good. Last one. 5. Jump. Okay, good. Change foot. Ready? Left leg this time. 3 counts. 1. Not yet. Twisting. 2, 3. Good. Diba? 1, 2, 3. Good. Now, one more. 1, 2, 3. Good. Ready? Remember to point your toes. 1, 2, 3. Very good. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Last one. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Let's try 1 count. Ready? Left leg, huh? Left leg. By these sides. 1 count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 count only. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. Ready? 4. Good. Last one shot. 5. Oh my goodness. Shake your arms. Shake legs. How was it?
Very good, coach.
That's the one that turns the hips.
Yeah, that's the one. Wow.
So how many blocks have we learned today? 3 blocks. Low block, high block, double or middle block. What do you call this block? No, this one? Very good. This one? Very good. How about this one? Very good. Double arm. This one? Double arm, middle block. Very good. Remember, low high block, nasa baba yung block lang. Right? That's high block. Low block, block in Chinese always on top. Right? Yan. Other hand.
Here's a pili.
Other hand. Okay. One more. Sige po, sunod. Lock. Yan, one more. Good. Double arm middle lock. Good. One more. Good. Other side. Good. Okay. Okay, go! Go! Hold down. Let's do hold down. Let's go. Long twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Location. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 6, 7, 8, 9. And standing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach forward. 6, 7, 8, 9. And change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach forward. 6, 7, 8, 9. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And change foot other side. 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up. Open leg. Stretch forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your back. 6, 7, 8, 9. And sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change other side. 6, 7, 8, 9. And feet together. Feet together. And stretch forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hip rotation. Reverse other side. Okay. Shake your arms, shake your legs. Turn around. Fix your uniform. Fix yourself. Fix yourself. Go. Okay. Everybody, serious? So we have 3 blocks now. Low block, high block, double arm middle block. We have 2 more blocks. Okay? We'll try to practice it tomorrow or until next week. And now we have 5 kicks. Stretch kick, front kick, in, out, in, and 45 kick. We have 1 more kick. There are 6 kicks for white belts. Okay? 5 blocks for white belts. Yes, coach? Coach? Okay. We have low, high, double arm. Okay? The new block today is double arm middle lock. Straight! You do push-up. Okay, do push-ups. What to do push-ups eh? Okay, up. Go, up. Stand na. Okay. Good? Questions? Okay, let's see you tomorrow. Yukuman, say, Choriyot? Kyore? Okay, very good. Very good, guys. Good job. Good job. Mukhang ha? Let's take a picture first. For the